How to stop cracking your knuckles.
Hello and welcome to Videojug. Stop cracking your knuckles the able-body way.
There is no proven link between arthritis and cracking your knuckles.
None. You hear me?
But research conducted by Dr. Axelrod Castellanos, sweet name, has shown that cracking your knuckles can lead to joint swelling, and then you can lose your grip strength, and then you can't do super sweet judo moves like this. Whoa!
Step 1. Stop and think.
It's unconscious. You need to make it conscious. Every time you think about cracking your knuckles, take a look at your mitts and think about it before you start. That way you'll trick your brain into thinking before you act. Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself.
Step 2. Positive reinforcement.
Anytime you want to crack your knuckles and don't, congratulate yourself. You'll start to feel good about yourself. Hey, you did it. You just wanted to crack your knuckles and didn't do it. I'm so proud of you.
Step 3. Commit.
You'll never be able to break any habits if you don't know the meaning of the term perseverance. You can't give up. It'll take time. Don't beat yourself up over it. That's my job. A little cracking of your knuckles isn't so bad, but that noise you're hearing, no, that's not your bones. That's little bubbles that you're popping in the fluid of your hands. It loosens them up just a little bit. Now, too much of it, and you're looking at some serious problems down the line, like soft tissue damage. So you better stop cracking your knuckles, or I'm gonna give you some of mine, cause you got an able body coming at ya!